As India reels under a deadly COVID-19 second wave, the focus should be on scientific methods to try and tackle the coronavirus challenge. But there have been netas from various political parties, particularly the Bharatiya Janata Party, who has been coming up with some bizarre claims to treat coronavirus. From Sadhvi Pragya's cow urine to, in fact, cow dung, and even Ganga Jal is in the list of the various methods that the BJP netas have been suggesting their followers to fight coronavirus. Take a look.
देशी गाय का गौमूत्र अगर हम लेते हैं तो उससे हमारे माइक्रो का जो इन्फेक्शन है वो दूर होता है। कोरोना के लिए कोई औषधि नहीं लेनी पड़ रही है, ना ही मैं कोरोना ग्रस्त हूँ और ना ही ईश्वर मुझे कहेगा कि मैं उस चीज का उस औषधि का उपयोग कर रही हूँ।
That's the sitting MP from Bhopal, Sadhvi Pragya Singh Thakur, stating that cow urine offers protection against lung infections in COVID-19. The video of the BJP leader has gone viral on the internet, the latest such claim during the second COVID wave. The firebrand leader's totally unscientific COVID advice comes just 10 days after BJP MLA from UP, Surendra Singh, not only recommended the same thing, but even demonstrated on camera.
गाय जो गाभिन न हो उस गाय का गोमूत्र लेकर के और 50 ml गोमूत्र के साथ 100 ग्राम पानी मिला दीजिए और सुबेरे खाली पेट यदि आपने लेने का अभ्यास डाल दिया तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है, इस भगवान को स्मरण करके मैं कह सकता हूं कि जीवन में आपको कोरोना नहीं, कोरोना से भी बड़ी महामारी आएगी तो भी कुछ प्रभाव डालने वाली नहीं।
With at least two prominent leaders prescribing cow urine as a COVID cure, take a look at this. A COVID care center set up inside a Gaushala in the Banaskantha district of Gujarat. Apart from allopathy, patients are being treated using Ayurvedic medicines made from cow milk and cow urine. In April, in the middle of Kumbh fervour, ahead of India's disastrous second wave, Uttarakhand's new chief minister made the viral claim that Ma Ganga's blessings are in flow and there should be no corona. But could he be blamed when just a year back India's Jal Shakti ministry had formally proposed to the Indian Council of Medical Research that water from river Ganga needed to be tested as a potential treatment for COVID-19? We're wondering if these prominent BJP leaders, who don't usually listen to reason when spouting unscientific COVID cure prescriptions, will at least listen to RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat.
आयुर्वेद के नाम पर कई बातें ऐसी चलती रहती है, कोई बताने वाला व्यक्ति उसको उसका लाभ होता होगा तो हो, लेकिन सबके लिए बताने लायक वो बातें तब तक नहीं है जब तक वो इस वैज्ञानिकता के तर्क के आधार पर, लंबे अनुभव के इतिहास के आधार पर और शास्त्रों के आधार पर सही नहीं उतरती।
It's more than clear that the fight against COVID will involve a battle against COVID myths at the highest levels.